Hello, guys. So it's me again, Ron. I am going to record a video, and this one is for Toloka Yandex. Now, majority of you all were wondering, because I live in the Philippines, and majority of you all were asking, as you know, to why I have a lot of jobs compared to other people, and I was able to earn about. Hold on a sec. A total earnings of 1,000 USD. Plus, I have a pending $183 point 44. So as you can see, I started working for Yandex Toloka last December 2021 up until February 2021, wherein they blocked my account after earning $1,028.02 plus a pending amount of 183.44. Just to let you all know, uh, my account got blocked due to security reasons. I'm not sure why Toloka Yandex would not disclose, the information or the reason why it was they blocked me from working for them. But anyways, they blocked my account. I filed a complaint, so I am able to withdraw this remaining amount. I'm just waiting for them to finish the security checks again. I got confirmation that I'll be able to get this one, but totally I won't be able to work for them anymore. I won't be able to create another account. That's totally fine with me because I was able to meet my target of 1,000 USD for 3 months, spending about 2 hours or 4 hours a day. So that's totally fine. But anyways, you all were wondering how to get more jobs in Yandex Toloka. For you to do it, you have to go to my profile. Unfortunately, this account won't be able to edit the information because it is banned or blocked. But usually, what you have to do is to go to your profile, edit it, change your citizenship. Well, the current settings I have was I changed my settings to United States of America and my citizenship as well. And then under languages, I added 5 languages on my profile. So it'll be English. I added Spanish. I added French. I added German. I added Russian. And I think I added Latvian as well. So having those languages on your profile available to you, you will be able to see more jobs. Now, how do you work on it? I mean, if you are not fluent on those languages, I use Google Translator. Because of that modification on my profile, these are the jobs that I was able to work on. I was able to work on content relevance, animal culture. This is French. Photos. This is French as well. Animal counter is English. Animal animal contador. That's Spanish. I have Amazon. I have photos, but I have a lot. I was able to work on many jobs for them. This is the web version, but on the app as well, I was able to get photo jobs as well as listening to audios. All right, so that is how you tweak your profile to get more jobs available to you. Okay, I hope that helps. This really short. This just a run through or a brief discussion on how you would be able to get more jobs to you assigned to your profile. And by the way, to those guys who got their account blocked, just go to your messages to unblock it and click on the message from the administrator, just like so. Filter it, and this one will give you instructions on how to unblock it. Now, unblocking it really depends on them. It'll be their sole discretion if they will be unblocking your profile, and if they ban you permanently, they are not going to cite the reason as to why they are blocking you permanently. So that is something that's totally unfair and abusive. but that's how it goes. And if you are blocked as well and you have a remaining balance that you cannot withdraw before, you are not allowed to withdraw it once they blocked you. But now they changed the user agreement. You have a chance or the opportunity to withdraw the remaining amount even if you got blocked or banned from Yandex.Toloka. Okay, I hope this video helps. You guys can join our ClickWorker group. It's called ClickWorker Philippines. You can find it in Facebook. Just subscribe to the channel, send over a screenshot of your subscription, and we'll be more than happy to accept you there. Thank you for watching and have a good day.